In this Investglass video, we will show you how to make fields mandatory or hidden. For that, you must be administrator. To see if you're an admin, go to My Account, Company. And in Members, you'll find all the different members of your team. The role should be set to administrator. If it's not the case, contact your administrator to make fields mandatory or hidden. Then in the same My Account Company, go down to Custom Fields. Here you will find all the different fields of Investglass. The fields will be sorted, and with this filter you will see which fields are mandatory. If you wish to change the visibility of this field, just click on Edit, and here you will have this menu where you can set the field as mandatory. You can also decide here to make this field visible or hidden by changing the roles access, the read, and the edit. Note here that it's also possible to categorize this field as a GDPR field.